Sheru, you see that? We have a big hailstorm. Sheru, you don't want to go outside. I was out there and all of a sudden, the big hailstorm came. Sheru, go get the ice. Go get some ice. Go get the ice. Sheru, you don't like snow? It's been raining for a couple of days and today all of a sudden the first shower came, it was all hail. Sheru liked it, but he didn't like it. He ran inside. We were outside and he ran inside. Good boy. Oh boy, it's a big hill. Sheru, go get some. Sheru, go get some. Oh, Sheru liked it. Sheru, come. Sheru said, he don't like it. Oh, look at that. So much snow. That's a big hill. I was worried if it's too big then he's gonna get hurt, but he ran and he come inside. Bruno? Sheru, what happened? You don't want to go? Go get some ice. Come on, get some ice. No? Oh, here's some ice on your head. Forehead. Oh, here is ice. Lick it. Oh, there are a lot of hails on his... Let me take it out. Boy, look at this. It's all snow. Sheru, are you going to shake it? Oh, there is one more, big one. So it's all start melting as soon as I touch it. Oh, he went out again. Sheru? Come inside. Sheru, ala barfa. Sheru, here's some snow. Sheru, some ice. Now it started to rain again. We have a big hills. Oh, it's been a long time. We never had a hailstorm in San Jose. Bruno, you want it? No? You don't like it? Sheru? Okay. Go inside, guys. That's enough.